Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 9. Okay, today I am about to get ready to go to where am I going? To the city. I'm going to the city. I'm going to Macy's and I'm going to Sephora. Hopefully I can go to Ulta too. I just want to get a couple of things. If anything, honestly, I may end up picking up some things from H&M because I do want to get more like outfits and stuff. I may go by Zara, you know, spend a little coin even though I don't want to. But yeah, I'm gonna be going to the city with my friend Stassi. My camera is so about to die, so I'm about to charge it before she gets ready before we head out. And then after that, we're gonna go to Spice. I'm currently uploading my video, and I wanted to just kind of show you guys how I like make my bed, even though I already have that already in the vlog, but just like to follow my day. But that's not gonna be happening right now because my camera's about to die. So I'm about to put my camera on the charger, and then I'll see you guys when I head to the city. And it's also snowing today. Whew, I don't got time. So I'll see you guys when I get to the city. All right, you guys, I'm on my way to the city. I was to say on my way to my city, but I'm on my way to the city. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very tired. Yeah, I'm very tired, and I wanted to take like a little nap. I think it's like a 20-minute nap or something like that. Like it's 4:26. I think I took like a 20-minute nap. I'm just very tired. But I'm up, I'm ready. I hope I have my bank card with me because I'll be very upset if I'm going to the city to buy stuff and I don't have my bank card. It's still really cold out here, but I dressed more appropriately, I guess, so it's not hitting me so much. I have like a couple of layers of clothing, and I realized like the one thing that makes me even more cold is the fact that I have braids in. So the braids has my scalp open, so I need to get a hat, which is the reason why I want to go to Urban Outfitters anyway. I want to go get a hat and a scarf. So yeah, I'm on my way there now, and I'll see you guys in the city. Hey guys, so I'm back in the city. My camera be dying and it's not even on. That's just pissed me off because when I turned it off it was on 36% and now it's on 24. Anyways, I'm in the city and I'm looking for Stassi because she's taking passport pictures. I don't know where she is. Oh, she's calling me. Hold on, babe, she's calling me. Hi.
Hi.
You look cute. Oh, so you did your makeup and everything.
I mean, I was taking a passport photo. I'm not trying to look crazy.
Look at me and look at her.
That's different. You aren't taking.
I'm vlogging.
Yeah, but you.
That's what I was trying to figure out. Like, why is it taking her so long? She said an hour.
You vlog all the time.
Oh, this is so fucking cute.
Right?
Do you want that for Christmas so I can use it? Look at how cute this is.
For our friends, miss.
Look at how cute this is.
So cute.
Oh, s'more maker.
Also, I was trying to find all of our initials, but good luck, because I was gonna get it for our friends, miss, with our.
Oh.
You don't need any more face brushes.
I don't need face brushes.
And
But
that's what
$20.
This is.
It's $20.
We just had this conversation yesterday.
Ay, Dios mío.
It's not actually as cold as I thought it was.
Me too.
I'm sweating.
But I'm kind of hot. Yeah, kind of hot for sure.
Okay, let me look at that. I thought it looked crazy. That's why I wanted to use my last picture because I looked cheap for one.
Girl, please.
Look. Crazy.
This is so freaking. I wish I had kids. That's so freaking cute. No, I don't like pancakes that much.
Yeah.
Look, guys. Look how cute this is. This would be so cute. This morning, y'all. I'm gonna turn my camera off because it's gonna start dying. So we'll see.
Washington Heights, they have the 183rd.
Guys, look who joined us. Look who it is. You ain't got no sense. She ain't have no sense. Look who joined us. These shades are hella cute, but I really want to know, why did you wear shades in the nighttime?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's why.
That's why. Girl, bye. It was the hands. That's why. Second Avenue.
I think we need to go to Second first, which I think is...
I think it's in between the two, right?
No, it's on a corner.
I don't remember this shit at nighttime. Why does it say 77th?
No, it doesn't.
Look, am I not putting the right spice? Hold on. Right? Isn't this the one?
That's the only one that is on the Upper
This is
East
it.
Side.
It's on 77th. So we gotta walk that way.
Come. What street are we on now?
72nd. We were walking for like 8 minutes.
I'm not Christmas.
I really do like Christmas. Right. I woke up, I'm like, what the fuck is this?
It wasn't memo. Because I feel like everybody was confused. I was talking about you, like, after your birthday, what? Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Whew. I love how you say your birthday is the holiday.
It's not?
She said after my birthday,
We celebrate
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
How is it not?
Oh, no, honestly, it is though. Because even in Zara, when you work on your birthday, you get like time and a half.
Yeah, I never work on my birthday. Fuck, really? You can't even pay me time and a half to work on my birthday.
Yeah, Zara. I was like, ooh, I like this.
I mean, I guess that works for like, no.
It works for people like Shawnee that don't like doing shit for their birthday.
Right. Because I was like, no.
Oh, all right, guys. So we're at Spice. Let me show you guys the video. If you don't know what Spice is,
No, I don't even tell them.
are you from? Oh, can't tell you. I mean, I already told them from before that I was going to Spice. I mean, at this point,
Crowded.
it can't be COVID. Hello. I want to show you guys the decor. Because this is like super cute. Yeah, better not copyright me.
Oh, snap.
What happened? I'm like, y'all was playing like, y'all was doing good with the little instrumental. Now y'all want to sit here and put the whole damn song with the guy singing in the background. Some feng shui. Put it in the corner. Dang, so I also can't see you.
They need to,
Look at this girl.
what do you Yo,
It's like,
I was singing the feng shui music. They need to get those Andre 3000 flutes.
yes. Oh my god. She's crazy. Okay, you know what? Pack it up. You should have vlogged today.
I can't vlog.
Yes, you can.
I've decided I'm not good at it.
You haven't tried. That's why.
I have. You forget. I be talking to myself and I'll be like, it's not hitting. It don't hit like how yours hit. Yours be like on point. People be listening. People are gonna be like, who the fuck is that? And why is she talking to me?
Why does she still have shades on?
Hello.
Okay, James Bond. Or I was gonna go out last night by myself and get fucking Spice because that's how bad I wanted it. So, if they could give me a double serving, good money. I should roll my hot sauce. That's fine. It's okay. It's cool. It's cool. So, guys, I'm gonna just show y'all my little spread that I got going on by my lonesome. So, I got the Drunk Man noodles. It's just like spicy noodles. I got the shrimp one and the chicken and my 2 drinks. Shawnee has her fritters for now. And Sassi's, what are those, black noodles?
Yeah. And
Chicken black noodles are there with their fritters. Okay. I'm about to devour, okay? I've been craving this for too long for me not to get to because I'm taking some home. I sure am. That's the whole point.
What did you do today so I see beside and get your passport picture?
My makeup.
You started a YouTube channel?
Huh?
You started it? You were just supposed to be creating content for it, basically.
Yeah, so I'm not good at it.
You can't say you're not good at it if you haven't even done it. I'm not good at it.
I need to vlog with other people because I feel like I talk to you guys. I be having stuff to say. We be having stuff to say to each other. I don't have nothing to say to myself. Hi, Sarah.
I mean, you vlog when you have like something to do. In a sense.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
Like Maryland, you had a lot to do. You could have just vlogged like you and your sister talking, chilling, whatever the case is. We was at the park, he was riding the bike or whatever the case is. Just like those small
We
interactions.
vlogged ourselves playing heads up.
Literally. And that was the funniest part of the vlog. So you just vlog whatever, and then whatever you feel like is important or like funny or interesting, then you keep those parts, you cut the other irrelevant parts out. Look at me being, is the word overzealous?
Sure.
Overzealous about my food, and I have a
You was eating with your eyes.
eating with my eyes for sure.
Well, you got leftovers.
I got some good leftovers, baby. I'm gonna eat this for lunch and dinner. But serve my cravings up. My cravings are definitely gonna be satisfied. Now I got a shrimp and chicken drunken noodle.
Yeah.
I feel like they overcooked the noodle a little bit.
Nah, but watching Gossip Girl was like, what the fuck? Like, these bitches are old.
Oh,
Hoes?
Old and hoes. But old.
hoes and old.
I haven't watched Gossip Girl in mad long. I can't watch it until I finish Grey's. Like, I can't watch anything else. I have to just watch Grey's.
I don't know why it took us so long to start watching it.
Have you watched Gossip Girl? Girl, I don't have time for that
Girl,
shit.
No,
you have to. You're gonna be,
Okay.
and she's so
You're gonna be watching it for
crying all the time. She's gonna be
years.
crying all the time. I can't wait.
Yes.
Can you please?
No.
Please.
What's it like? How many seasons are there?
They're in
10.
You're a liar. You're a liar. You're fucking lying because I feel like somebody said they were like 19 or something like that.
I was
And I
was
feel like
looking
it's
at her, so
more.
I was like, I don't want us to say 2 different seasons. Because I wasn't going to say the correct season, so I was like, 8. And then you would have been like, 10.
Can I get it to go?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you.
No makeup. Oh my god.
Bitch, you have makeup
I look
on the last time
dead.
too.
I did have makeup on.
No, but like when we were talking at the airport, you didn't have makeup on.
I had a mask on.
Watch out.
Ma'am?
Listen, okay.
At the
yes.
airport, you had makeup on?
No, she had a mask on.
Oh.
I picked it up in like
Since
2
when?
seconds. 2 seconds.
Alright, because what I'm trying to do right now
Okay, vocals.
right?
Let me get a shrimp.
Y'all see that? Y'all heard that? Y'all ready to sign her? Okay.
Okay.
I get 10% because I discovered her. Mind you, her father's a whole producer, but I discovered her. I get 10%.
Foxy, tell stories about when you went to Shakespeare camp.
Yes, and how your father used to drop like fly you from Calabasas.
We're not telling anybody that I went to Shakespeare.
Well, we
Camp.
just told on
on the
YouTube.
video.
You can cut that.
Shakespeare camp. Camp.
I hate y'all. She is my friend who lived in Calabasas, so that's why.
Why don't you go visit her?
I know, that's what she said. She was like, come see me. I was like, I'm coming.
She
The
still
first place
lives
you're going is, yeah. Her father's a movie producer. I'm like,
That's why they still do Shakespeare camp.
y'all are annoying.
I'm gonna add a little coins dropping.
But
Make it rain.
Where's Calabasas?
Calabasas.
Isn't it like a gated community?
It is.
She got money.
It was by.
Daddy got.
Is that by? No, I
Shawty got.
when I was in Burbank.
Sassy got. I got nothing.
When I really have a problem.
We gonna cut this part out. Hold on. Alright you guys, so I am back home and I'm about to wrap up this video because my camera is dying. Another reason why I want to get a new camera because when I charged this earlier today, which is about 5 hours ago, it was on 56%, and I barely shot things, and I literally just shot what I wanted to shoot, and then I would like shut it off because I knew that it was like low on battery. And then 1 minute it's on 56%, I'll turn it on and it was on 36%, shut it off, turn it on, it's on 17%, turn it off, turn it back on to shoot another thing, it's on 26, then it's on 15, now it's on 1%. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you guys got some laughs out of it. You guys enjoyed the timing that I spent with some of my friends. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Just like the